Hello YouTubers, hello YouTubers again. Today I'm going to be unboxing this grip from Canon. This it is called the HG-100TBR hand grip, designed for the Canon, for different type of Canon camera models. And I've been looking into. I gave it a thought about getting this grip, but since I was using a gimbal for my camera module, for my camera setup, I decided to hold off. But after trying a couple of after trying a couple of gimbals out there, I kind of became dissatisfied. I tried about 3 gimbals, if I'm not mistaken, before just giving up on camera gimbals. And for now, I'm just gonna be using my phone DJI Osmo 4 gimbal whenever I need to do like get cinematic looking shots. And for my camera, which the type of Canon that I have is a Canon G7 Mark III. And for the Canon, my Canon camera, I'm going to be using this grip. Well, the grip comes with this remote control that connects to the camera via Bluetooth. And once paired, the remote control itself can be used separately, alone, standalone, or it can fit ergonomically within the grip, which I'm going to demonstrate for you. So this is the grip itself. And I mean, it's late 2020, so there's a lot of reviews out there about this grip, but I just wanted to do an unboxing regardless because I got it, and I'm gonna post it on my channel. So these are like the instruction manuals, step by step, but I'm not gonna go over in detail. The model, the model for this grip is made from Canon, and it is the HG-100TBR, and this is how the grip looks like. And it's also a tripod. It turns into a tripod. As a matter of fact, this is the tripod. This is the tripod base for my DJI Osmo 4, but the grip itself turns into a tripod. So I'm able to, once I have this accessory connected to my Canon camera, I'll be able to use it as a standalone tripod, a little tripod, and as a grip as well. So I can do, like, for example, blogging, for blogging purposes. So the grip, this is how it expands and it turns into a tripod. So this is how it looks as as a tripod setup. I'm gonna be demonstrating for you. From what I understand, this bottom here, it has like a couple of settings that once you hit the bottom, it's like a latch that it makes a turn and it falls into place like every so many angles. So it'll have like 2 or 3 setups that I can configure the tripod depending on the situation what I want it for. And this is the remote control, which it fits here. It has like an indicator, an icon indicator showing which way the remote goes. And in this, oh, so it would fit in this manner. So now, bear in mind that I already have a small rig, cold shoe bracket connected to my Canon camera, but with the grip, it comes included an additional bracket that I can connect on the side so that I can mount a cold shoe mount. If I'm not mistaken, it goes like this. It can go on either side, whether here in front, on the back, not in front because it'll block your camera. But since in my case, I already have a bracket from Small Rig, I don't think I'm going to be using this additional bracket, but I'm going to save it there. This is the lanyard that connects somewhere there so it doesn't fall. So this is how I would connect it to the camera. So it would fit into any one of these holes on the Small Rig bracket that I have. So it is intended for blogging purposes. And this is how it looks. It's the other way around, because this is where the remote controls are. Well, yeah. So this would be in the event that I want to use it like for blogging, facing me, and if I want to turn it around, I guess I would push this button here. So I would just push this button and I would turn it around, and if I want to use it as a tripod, this is how I would you know, since the tripod it tends to tilt it, that is the reason why by pressing this button I can readjust it and just put it into place depending on what I want to shoot at. So now the remote control, it connects via the remote control, like I told you, connects via Bluetooth. Since I'm using the Canon G7 Mark III, it is Bluetooth capable. So in order to connect it, I would have to go to the Bluetooth settings, and there is a setting within Bluetooth that I can add. I can add the remote control itself, and the option is there. I believe there is a there's like a line of Canon model cameras that are compatible with this grip, just like Sony. Sony has similar a similar grip that it fits for their line of ZV-1, if I'm not mistaken. So in order to connect the remote, if I'm not mistaken, I had to press these two buttons at the bottom, which is the wide and telephoto buttons at the same time, and hold it, and then it's gonna go into like a blinking mode. And once it goes into the blinking mode, I have to click on the remote setup and let it know that I want to add a device, so it should recognize it. Once it recognizes the grip or the remote itself, then I should be able to pair it. Let me try that again. There it is blinking, but I don't see it responding. For some reason, it's not responding. It says pairing in progress. I wouldn't know what happened. But anyways, this is what the pairing process would look like. Even though I may not do a successful demonstration, but this is how the remote control gets paired. And I mean, part of the pairing is not my intention to film and the unboxing, but this is what the grip looks like, and I like it. I'm going to be using it. Perhaps I am not going to be getting the type of stability I would expect from a gimbal. But for that, I have my phone. So I'm going to be using a combination of my DJI Osmo 4 gimbal stabilizer. And whenever I need to do like straight up blogging, face blogging, I'm going to be using this grip. So I'm going to be using a combination of both for my throwing out my YouTube content out there. Well, thank you, YouTubers. Thank you for watching this small, quick video unboxing review of the Canon HG-100TBR grip for my Canon G7 Mark III. Thank you again, guys. And if you like my video content, hit a like and subscribe. I forgot to mention that in addition, it brings this additional brackets that for some reason they're able to fit like at a 90-degree angle so that you can fit more stuff in there. Like you can have like a combination of a mic and a microphone and a light, let's say, or you can have, you know, whatever fits your desire depending on the situation what situation you find yourself in. Thank you again, guys, and have a wonderful day.